How to fix Instagram can't send messages. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. Head over to your Wi-Fi and check it out. If your Wi-Fi is not stable enough, then it might be the reason that your message is not sending. In that case, try using the cellular data. If not, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the App Store. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, now the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Instagram and then move into it. Now click on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.